instruction. This is just an overview. The cheaper you can get these, the better. They don't last very long. So let's have a quick look at them. I'll leave a link in the description for them. Check them out. Pretty standard affair. They're good to have around, but with these cheaper ones, what they do break right here and they'll go flying. So definitely wear glasses with these. But I usually buy them in bulk because of that very reason. But given how cheap they are, they will do. Some printing on it. Use safety glasses. Do you wonder why? I mean, they can use a different metal and then these wouldn't snap off right here. But they do. But they're good to have around. So I'll leave a link in the description. Later, guys.